Top 5 Best Motorcycle Headlight in 2025. This is a short video, just an overview of the products. If you want to know more about the products, please see the video description or the comment box.
Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2025, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description link or comment box. Number 2, our second choice is another best-selling product offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2025. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check comment box. Number 3, this is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box. Number 4, this is top quality product. Orders, reviews, rating. For update price, please check description box.
Number 5, Motorcycle LED Headlight. The Motorcycle LED Headlight is a high-quality, advanced headlight designed for safety and visibility on the road. It boasts a 2,400 lumens output, providing bright and clear illumination, making it ideal for dark roads or challenging weather conditions. The LED light source is known for its durability, energy efficiency, and long lifespan, consuming less power while offering superior brightness. The 4200K color temperature produces a neutral white light that closely resembles natural daylight, reducing eye strain and improving contrast. The headlight is voltage compatible at 12V, making installation easy and seamless. It is made with high concern chemicals and materials, ensuring durability in various environmental conditions. Originating in mainland China, this product reflects high manufacturing standards and cutting-edge technology, offering great value for money, delivering performance and reliability at an affordable price point. This headlight is a must-have upgrade for any rider who prioritizes safety and visibility on the road.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.